Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to migrate your Pi coin to your mainnet. So if you have been mining Pi for the past 6 years, Pi will be launching an open network by February 20th, 2025. So I'll advise you to migrate your Pi coin to your mainnet for security reasons. So this is what you have to do. Log into your Pi app. The next thing is to click at the three lines found at the top left corner of your screen. So clicking at the three lines, you're going to see this new screen where you have to click on Mainnet. The next thing is to click on Migrated to Mainnet. That's the third option there. Click on View Wallets. So right here, it's just going to log in. You have to copy your passphrase from your wallet and paste it here. The next thing is for you to click on unlock. So now just have to click on immigration option, which is the second one. If you have a Pi, it's going to automatically show you the amount you have, and you're going to also type in the amount you want to migrate to your mainnet, and it's going to show you a sign that it has been successfully done if you complete it. So guys, that is it on how to immigrate our Pi to our mainnet. And after completing it, you're going to see that the 8th option on your KYC steps will automatically turn to green. The 8th option there will automatically turn to green. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Do not forget to hit notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.